This is the Mansfield 630-5043 urinal cartridge for the Mansfield model 190 urinals. Now, this cartridge is the push style. So right here at the top, see the Mansfield branding. You also see the prior branding. Now, of course, with the push style, that pushes and then water flushes. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of the cartridge, starting with a total length measured from the top of the push button all the way down to that little Phillips head screw there in the bottom end. So it's going to be right at about 3 and 5/8 inches. And we can also get an outer diameter at the hex nut. It's in kind of a weird spot, so it'll be hard to get to, but I'll try to get as close as I possibly can. Looks to be right at about an inch and right about 1 3/8 inches. And once again, this is the Mansfield 630-5043 urinal cartridge for the Mansfield model 190 urinal.